Hello everyone, I'm Jean-Pierre Nsaiman, instructor in welding. Today we are going to see how we can perform bead weld in downhand position by using sheet metal arc welding process. We have the welding machine to be used. The cables are connected, and then you have to on the machine. And then we connected the cables. This, as we have said, this is the earth clamp. It's used to hold the base metal. Again, we have the electrode cable where we connect our electrode. Means that where we manipulate our electrode, you can insert electrode, you can remove the electrode. And then we have to make sure that you have the helmet to be used. This is the wire brush. This is the chipping hammer. We have tongue, and then you have different workpiece. For performing this one, because we are going to perform in downhand position, if you are going to perform any other welding position, we can use the gloves, we can use the other means of safety precaution. But because here we are not going to perform in the overhead position, it is only in down, the safety precaution somehow is not necessary for the welder. Also, we have to make sure that you strike before protected people. If you do not protect the rays, they can damage our eyes. So we have to, before we strike, we have to wear the helmet or hand shield. And then after putting, I have to check if the current is passing through. And then also, because I'm using 3.2 electrode, I have to check if the current is around 125. So after getting the arc, we have to start to do our welding. You have to go slowly. So if you find that you cannot use it, you can damage the electrode holder, you finish and then you off the machine, and then you stop, and then by using the tongue, as we said, and then by chipping, we use this chipping hammer. Do it slowly. And then we use wire brush to clean. As we said that, we can clean before, during, or after welding. So this is the bead weld done in downhand position. Thank you for attending my class. Next time we shall see the padding process. Thank you.